Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to create a quick site analysis map using data from the OS National Geographic Database, or else OS-NGD. You can get a MasterMap file that includes site usage information directly from our website www.mapserve.co.uk quickly in CAD format, such as DWG or DXF for any site in Great Britain. After downloading the file, you need to open it using AutoCAD. First, we're going to set the radius around the building of our choice that we can focus on. To do that, we're going to create a new layer to draw our circle on. Click on this button here, change the name. In this case, we're going to use the name radius and the color and press enter. Next, under drafting, click on the circle tool and draw it around the property you're working on like so. Next, we're going to use hatching to create our site analysis map. I have chosen to show health, religious and sports building. Let's start with the health institutes. We locate the layers we would like to display, so let's see what we have here under this category. We have hospitals and medical care units here. First, I've chosen the hospital layer. I've unchecked all other layers except my radius one and the hospital one. To start hatching in AutoCAD, navigate to the Drafting tab, which is located here, then locate the Hatch panel and click on Hatch. Now, on the Hatch visor, you'll see the hatch type list under Field Type. Here, select the type of hatch you want to use. You have a variety of options to choose from. In this case, we're going to hatch using a solid color. After selecting the hatch pattern or fill and your color, you need to specify how the pattern boundary is selected. You have two options. It's either pick points, which inserts the hatch or fill within a closed area that is bounded by one or more objects. With this method, you click within the boundaries to specify the area. The other option is select boundary objects. This inserts the hatch or boundary within a closed object, such as a circle. Remember that the last use selection method is retained until you change it. Next, click on the area or object you want to hatch. AutoCAD will apply the hatch pattern or fill to the selected area. If needed, you can make adjustment to the hatch on the hatch visor. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, simply press enter to apply the hatch and exit the command. After hatching all buildings within your radius, press the escape button to exit the command. Next, we're going to do the medical care unit building. You select the hatch tool and color and click on the building you would like to color. Do not forget to exit the command each time, otherwise you'll continue coloring using the same color. Continue until you're happy with your selection. Now AutoCAD will save your PNG as a raster image. I do not want my background to be black like on this workspace, so to change that you type in the command Options, press Enter to open the Options dialog box and navigate to the Look and Feel tab. Then, under the interface theme, select white or any other color you prefer for your paper space. Click OK. You can choose, if you wish, for the rest of the MasterMap layers to be visible on your map by turning them on again like so. After you have hatched all buildings you would like to display in your site analysis map, it's time to export your image. You can use PDF or PNG formats to create your image, which you can then use in a design and access statement, for example. Let's say you would like to export it in PNG format. To do this, you need to click here in the command space and type in PNG out. You type in the name of your choice for your file, you select where you would like to save it and press enter. In the command area again, click once, unless you would like a smaller portion of your map to be displayed, and press enter. AutoCAD will take a moment to render your image, and then when it's ready, you can open it to make sure it's correct. Your PNG image is now saved on your computer and it's ready to be used.